Okay, so we are now at the part F now here. So if you look out for the part F, we have for that one, let's write it again here. Let's try to make it thicker. So we have F is we have for that one is W squared minus 10W plus 25 is equals to a 0 then. Now, since we have for that one, let's go factor out common. Let's go reorganize rather. Let's go reorganize this as a perfect square trinomial then. So moving out for that one, so using out here, if you can remember out the perfect square trinomial here, that's going to give us with the W's then, right? And the 25. So we're going to write it out here as W minus 5 squared then. So that's equals to a 0. Now here, we take the square root of both then here. So that's going to be about, since we're going to take out the square for that one, for both here of the sides, that's going to give us with the answer now. So since we're going to get out the square down here, so that's going to give us with the answer of the y w minus 5 is equals to 0 then. Now, since this only just one for that one, so w would be is equals to positive 5 then. So this would be just our answer then.